Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of desk microphones, specifically for calls and voice recording. Whether you're a remote worker, a podcaster, or just someone who enjoys clear audio, choosing the right mic can make a huge difference. Let's explore what makes a great desk microphone and some recommendations to get you started. First off, why bother with a desk microphone? Your built-in laptop mic or your headset mic might seem okay, but they often fall short. Desk microphones generally offer superior sound quality. They capture more detail, reduce background noise, and provide a much more professional sound. This is especially important for calls, where clear communication is key, and for recording, where you want to ensure your voice is captured accurately. When choosing a desk microphone, there are a few key features to consider. Firstly, the polar pattern. This determines how the microphone picks up sound. Cardioid microphones are great for general use, as they pick up sound from the front and reject sound from the sides and back. This helps reduce background noise. Omnidirectional microphones pick up sound from all directions, which is suitable if you have multiple people in a meeting. And bidirectional microphones pick up sound from the front and back, ideal for interviews. Then, there's the connection type. USB microphones are plug and play, making them easy to set up. XLR microphones offer higher quality and flexibility, but require an audio interface. Finally, consider the build quality and design. A sturdy mic that looks good on your desk is always a plus. Now, let's look at some recommendations. For beginners or those on a budget, the Blue Yeti is a fantastic option. It's a USB microphone that offers multiple polar patterns and great sound quality for the price. It's incredibly popular for a reason. For a step up in quality, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB is an excellent choice. This condenser microphone provides clear and detailed audio, perfect for both calls and recording. If you're looking for a professional-grade XLR microphone, the Shure SM7B is a legendary choice. It's known for its excellent sound rejection and warm, broadcast quality sound, but remember, you'll need an audio interface. Another great XLR option is the Rode NT USB. It provides very high quality sound and is very easy to set up. This mic is a great option for people looking to step up their game. In terms of features, some desk microphones come with built-in pop filters and shock mounts to reduce unwanted noise. Others offer gain control and headphone jacks for monitoring your audio. These features can significantly improve your recording experience. When setting up your desk microphone, position it correctly for optimal sound capture. Generally, this means pointing the microphone directly at your mouth, at a slight angle, and about 6 to 12 inches away. Adjust the gain level to prevent clipping or distortion. In summary, a quality desk microphone is an investment in clear audio. Whether for calls or recording, consider your needs, budget, and desired sound quality when making your choice. Do some research and read reviews to find the perfect microphone for you. Thanks for watching, and happy recording. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into desk microphones, essential for crystal clear calls and high-quality recordings. If you want better audio, you're in the right place. We'll cover what to look for, some top picks, and how to get the best sound. Why use a desk microphone? Built-in mics often fall short. They pick up background noise and don't deliver professional audio. A dedicated desk mic is designed for better sound capture, giving you cleaner recordings. Now, let's look at key features. The first is the microphone type condenser and dynamic. Condenser mics are sensitive, great for detailed vocals, instruments. They need a quiet environment. Dynamic mics are rugged and less sensitive, ideal for noisy environments, calls, everyday use. Next, the polar pattern cardioid mics pick up sound from the front. Omnidirectional mics pick up from all directions, interviews. Bidirectional mics pick up from two directions, podcasts. Connectivity is another factor. Most desk mics use USB for easy setup. Some use XLR. For higher quality requires an audio interface. Make sure it works with your setup. Let's move on to some top picks. For budget users, the Blue Yeti is great. It's a USB condenser with multiple polar patterns. It's versatile and delivers good sound. For something more professional, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB is a good choice. It offers excellent audio quality, great for vocals and instruments. For a dynamic mic, the Shure MB7 is a solid option. It provides excellent sound quality and is great for calls and streaming. This mic offers both USB and XLR. Now, how to get the best sound. First, position your mic correctly 6 to 8 inches from your mouth. Angle it away slightly to reduce plosives. Minimize background noise. Record in a quiet room. Use acoustic treatment foam panels. Close windows and turn off noisy appliances. Finally, use a pop filter and shock mount. A pop filter reduces plosives, and a shock mount isolates the mic from vibrations. These accessories make a big difference. In summary, choosing the right desk microphone can significantly improve audio quality. Consider mic type, polar pattern, and connectivity. Position your mic correctly and minimize noise. With these tips, you'll achieve professional sounding audio. Thanks for watching and happy recording.